Alright, welcome back everyone to the channel. Behind me I got the AMG car here. Working on it. We're going to do a lot this episode. So if you guys are enjoying the series, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Remember, we got a goal of 1,000 subscribers, so we want to hit that goal very soon. So if you guys are new to this build, I'm going to do a quick little overview. We have a R171 chassis with a R107 body here. So this body is from 1975. As you guys can read right there, 75. AMG engine and chassis setup is from 2007. So this engine here is pumping out 355 horsepower with a 7-speed automatic transmission here. So it's going to be getting a lot more power and a lot more torque than the original design here. In this episode, we're going to finally work on making this. We got a big piece of sheet metal right here. Going to make a pretty cool design here, try to make it as OEM looking as possible. So here we are with the Euro headlight. Going to be refurbishing this one. As you can see, a lot of this rubber components have completely rotten, as well as I'm going to be repainting this aluminum, removing some of this dirt, and start cleaning up all this overspray here. There's a lot of overspray from the previous owner of this. So the first step to disassembling this is to remove this front glass. So it is connected here by 3 little pins. I already got these pretty much out. You just kind of get a little needle nose plier and you kind of just put it in there and wobble this out. So these 3 come out here. Set these aside. You definitely do not want to lose these. These are like very expensive if you want to replace these. So make sure you keep these somewhere safe. So this is originally clamped onto this glass. So you put your needle nose and you rotate it like that. So removing this front glass here, you want to take this off and put it somewhere safe. Going to be removing all this overspray on these lenses here. Whoever repainted this car did not bother taking off the headlights. So there's many options to rechrome this. You can get it professionally rechromed, you can spray paint it, but I chose this time to use vinyl wrap. Just because I've been working with vinyl wrap and I have all the tools here ready. You can now start removing this side marker here. So to remove this, there are 3 8mm bolts here, here, and also here. Because you do not want to accidentally break any of the plastic inside of there. So here we can remove this light. Just push it and twist. So that comes off here. Now we can actually remove this whole module. It's connected by 1 Phillips screw here. And that could come off. So here I have a very thin flathead. In order to get into this, using a little bit of penetrating fluid really helps to get this loose. Yep, I feel like this is just gonna break any second. It's not what I want to happen. Ooh, there we go. That was nice and soft right there. It's rotating, just does not want to. Oh, there we go. Flipping this back over, we can now remove this little metal shield here for the light. pretty good condition. Now we can flip it back and we could remove this whole headlight unit. This headlight unit is really only connected by these two screws here. Now it disconnects from this guide here. So now we can slowly, there's a little rubber here too, push this up and just kind of wiggle it out. So now with this casing, to remove this light, all you do is grab from back here, push it, twist it, and that will remove this whole light module here. We can grab a rubber mallet in order to remove this last piece. Hit it from the inside a couple times. There we go. So now with everything disassembled here, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning this aluminum casing here. So instead of paying $60 for the OEM seals, I went on eBay and found a similar size for around $5. So I got these for $5. So using vinyl wrap, you guys can see that it wasn't perfect, since vinyl wrap is not really intended to be used in these situations, but with the lens covering it, I think it hides a lot of the imperfections. So it just pretty cheap fix. It was like $5 for the vinyl wraps. So here we are with the light put on. I think it looks really good. You can barely tell the imperfections in the vinyl wrap that was in the chrome unless you get like 1 inch away from the actual lens. Alright, so here is the SL as we speak. So I got most of the front end done here. All this is pretty much what is. Oh, I think I forgot to put on the little rubber inserts that actually go there. I think I could still get to that, but there's some rubber inserts here that I need to put on. As you can see, the design here was to extend this kind of outwards to cover more of the wheel. I might tweak this a little bit, make it curve a little bit more with the actual wheel here. But this is the final design here. The hardest part right now is this side of the car. This is where the actual gas tank is right there. So let me see. So that red piece of tape is covering the entrance of the gas tank here. So we have to make a whole new mechanism here because this is a little bit too far away and it's actually too low. So you can see this angle was meant for a gas tank to be right here where it used to be, but now it's way up there and much higher, so there's just no way this can ever climb up to where it needs to be, which is there. So the plan is to make some kind of adaptation here, try to find a gas cap and tubing here so that we can get this done. So yeah, I still need to do this whole other quarter panel here, as well as cut out a little bit more of this where I marked right there so I can have a bit more clearance. Let me show you guys the clearance on the other side. So you guys can see now we have very little room here. We might have to modify it slightly, but think there is just enough room here so that the wheel actually can not hit anything. Big bumps may actually hit, but I think it won't be too bad. So yeah, this is how this is looking. I think it looks pretty good. So if you guys are like me and you guys are always on Facebook here, checking out good deals, thinking of getting something like this or similar for the fueling station, I'd like to thank everyone that's also been watching the channel. As you can see, we've been consistently getting around 1,000 views. So thanks everyone that's been supporting the channel, promoting the videos. Also like to shout out Euro Stable here for giving me this free t-shirt. Alright, so that is the end of today's episode. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe. Remember, I got the 1,000 subscriber goal. So once we hit that 1,000 subscriber goal, I'm gonna make some cool shirts to give away to you guys. So stay tuned for that. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys